Hello everyone, this is Vinay and you are watching EduSmarts. Today I'm back with another video on free courses and certifications absolutely for free from Udemy. So what you have to do in this video is that I will tell you the numbers to the courses that I have brought you today. Now these courses are irrespective of branches, so everyone should watch the video till the end. And please do note that I will tell the numbers to all the courses, that means 11 courses, and note the course that you like. Note the number of the course that you really like. Okay, so now let us start the course. Now let us see the first course. This is you can learn creational design patterns in Java programming, and you can enroll for this course within 1 day. Now I'm going to tell the number to this course is course number 11. Now if you like this course, please do note the number of this course, which is course 11. Okay, now let us see the next course. Let me take on you this. Now this course is about React Beginners Bootcamp. You can get the certificate just within 39 minutes. Within 39 minutes, you can complete this course and you can get the certificate. Now the course number for this course is 9. The course number, if you like this, please do note the number to this course is 9. Okay. Now let us see the another course. Now this course is Children's Book Design in PowerPoint and Google Slides. If you have small children in your home, it is really helpful for them. And if you are interested in PowerPoint, you can learn this. Now the number for this course is 10. Remember or note it, number 10. Here comes the course number 8. You can enroll for this course within 2 days, thereafter access for your lifetime. Now this course number 8 is about Azure Architect Technologies practice test. If you wanted to give an exam in the Azure, then you should really learn this practice test. The number for this course is 8. Please do note it. Now here comes the course number 1. This is practical Java course from 0 to 1. So you are going to learn the basic fundamentals of this Java. If you are new to Java, you can learn this course, and it really contains 4 hours long video demand, and you can get the certificate at the end of this course. Now remember, the coupon code for this is 2020_May, and the number of this course is 1. What is the number? It's 1. I have already told you from 11, 9, 10, 8, right? Now let us see 7. Now this course number is 7 and you are going to learn the English grammar, tenses, structures. So it is really important to learn English to crack any interview and impress your interviewer. So for this reason, you should learn English grammar, tenses and structures. With the basic and strong knowledge of English grammar, you can speak very fluently. Now this course is free for 2 days till the update of this video. And the number of this course is 7. Do note the number of this course, which is 7. Do not skip the video because I speak everything in just 10 seconds. And if you skip any of the 10 seconds, you are going to lose the key information of the video. And I have seen most of the students are not watching the video till the end. If you do not watch the video till the end, you will put unnecessary comments in the comment section below. I will not reply to those people who do not watch the video till the end and ask the questions that I have already addressed in the video. So please take care that you are watching the video till the end. Now this course is number 6. This is Successful Cross-Cultural Management. If you wanted to know the cultural management, you can take this course. Now this course is free till 2 days. You can access the course, of course, for your lifetime. Now if you are interested in Photoshop, now you can get this course. Now, the course number is 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 and 5. This is course number 5, which is Photoshop. It's really important these days. Everyone is being digital, right? For this reason, you should learn Photoshop. This is about course that. And this course number 2 is Windows Server 2019 New Features Explained. The features of the Windows Server is really explained in this course, and you can get this course for free within 2 days. And the course number is 2. And the next course that you are interested is, if you're interested, this is course number 3, and this is really mastering machine learning. I have already provided some of the concepts of machine learning like supervised or regression, etc. in some other videos. Like in other courses I have already brought you. Now in this course I have brought logistic regression K-clustering near neighboring and LDA etc. in machine learning course. Now this is about machine learning course and the course number is 3. If do you like this course, do note the course number. And the next course is Python. Like the fundamentals of Python is being discussed in this course, and you can get this course absolutely for free within 2 days from the date of upload of this video on the YouTube. And the course number is 4. So that is how I explained you the 11 courses and the 11 numbers, right? So please do note the numbers of the courses that are whichever you like. Don't take every course. Whatever the course you like, please do note them. Now let us see how you can get the courses with the help of this. Open your browser, search for EduSmart by Vinay. You can search this EduSmart by Vinay, Google search, or else you can directly click edusmartbyvinay.blogspot.com. Or else now let us click EduSmart by Vinay. This you can see edusmartbyvinay.blogspot.com. This is my website, that is blog. Click on this EduSmart. You'll be redirected onto my blog. Now here, come on to the recent post of this. Now under the recent post, you can see this placements preparation. Now click on this placements preparation. Now you can see that I have already given numbers to the courses, right? Course 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11. So whichever the course you like, just click on that course. Let me think that I liked the course 3. Now this is machine learning. I really liked this course and I can get this course absolutely for free. You need not even put the what is called the coupon code for this. You can directly click on this link and get it. If you are new to the Udemy, click on sign up or else log into your account and get this course absolutely for free. So that's all about this video. I will be back with another video very soon. Till then, keep smiling. Thank you guys.